everybody, it's Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and I am bringing you a video today on how to ball your yarn without using a switch or the back of chairs or something like that, something that's movable that you can put down on a table. So one of our Instagram users, Hope Santaneo, kind of inspired us for this video. She was using some kettlebells, and we thought that was a great idea, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So you'll need 2 kettlebells of any weight. And you'll need to kind of unskein your yarn and kind of trim the little threads that keep it together. You're going to want to put it over the kettlebells. And then don't make it super tight, but also don't let it have a lot of slack because you want it to keep its shape on here. So you're going to find an end. Let's see if I can find, oh, it's over here. And then you are going to just simply, I start balling around my 2 fingertips and then I take it off and ball around that section. So you can just keep going around and around. And it's a super simple way to skein your yarn. Just remember not to pull too tightly because you don't want your yarn to stretch as you're going out. So make a loose ball when you are balling your yarn. And then you can just keep going. And then when you're done, you'll have a nice ball of yarn. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button. See ya!